Looking to kickstart your data science journey? Here are 10 essential books to guide you through the world of data science and unlock your potential. Begin your journey with Data Science for Beginners, a comprehensive introduction to the fundamentals, providing a solid foundation for your learning. Dive into practical machine learning with Hands-on Machine Learning, packed with real-world examples that will help you grasp the concepts effectively. Master Python for Data Analysis with Python for Data Analysis, exploring its powerful capabilities and enhancing your programming skills. Get a grip on statistical concepts with Practical Statistics for Data Scientists, a crucial resource for understanding the statistical side of data science. Ease into machine learning with Introduction to Machine Learning with Python, simplifying complex ideas for beginners and making the learning process smoother. Explore R in data science with R for Data Science, written by leading experts, providing valuable insights into data analysis using R. Understand the mathematical foundations with Essential Math for Data Science, a comprehensive guide to the mathematical concepts essential for data science. Delve into advanced topics with Deep Learning, offering an in-depth exploration of the complex world of deep learning and neural networks. Refer to Python Data Science Handbook for essential Python tools and techniques, a must-have resource for any aspiring data scientist. Lastly, master data mining with Data Mining of Massive Datasets, a comprehensive guide to understanding and working with large datasets. Happy reading!